Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Dhanurasana bow pose. Dhanurasana is really good for diabetes. It improves digestion and also strengthens your thighs and legs. To practice, from Makarasana, bring your legs together, hands beside your body, bend at your knees and catch hold of your ankles. Now inhale and raise your body up and maintain with normal breathing. Balance only on your abdomen. Exhale and release and relax in Makarasana. If you found this video useful, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.